Question number 5. A girl throws an object horizontally at time t equal to 0. So this is a horizontal projectile motion. So you're throwing it like this. Air resistance can be ignored at t equal to 0.5 seconds. The object travels horizontally a distance x in meters. So at t equal to 0.5 seconds, it has traveled a distance x. Okay, this is what at t equal to 0.5 seconds. Let me write it down here. T equal to 0.5 seconds. This is the distance traveled. While it falls vertically through distance y. So this is the distance traveled along y axis like this. What is the initial velocity of the object? Now, first what we do is let us find out initial velocity. We know that x equal to ux into t, right? Because no acceleration along x-axis, horizontal projectile motion. Now, the x is equal to what? X equal to x itself. Ux is unknown and t is nothing but 0.5. So when I do this, I get the answer as ux is equal to 2x, right? Because it becomes x by, so if you want, I will write it down here separately. I'll write this as x by 0.5, okay, which will be equal to 2x, okay. So therefore 2x, so this is incorrect and these two could be the right answers. Then in a similar way, now if you take the vertical distance, we know that y is equal to half gt square is what we get over here. And it says, okay, now let me substitute it here. So this, I will write this as half g into 0.5 square in 0.5 square, which should now be equal to how much? This should be 0.25 g divided by 2. This is what I get. Let me retain it like this only. Okay, I'll do it later on the simplification. Then what is he asking? At t equal to 1 second, what is the horizontal velocity? See, horizontal velocity remains the same. It doesn't change. So therefore, this is the answer for this. Vertical distance travel will be changing. Y dash will be equal to half g into, for 1 second, I'll put this as 1 square over here, which will be equal to how much? G by 2, right? Now, if this is 0.25 g by 2 and this is just g by 2, how many times of this one is this? This is nothing but 4 times y here, right? How do I know? Okay, I'll give the numerical value. Okay, so what I will do is a 0.25 times g divided by 2 should be equal to 0.25 into 10 divided by 2. 10 into 0.25 is 2.5 divided by 2 is 1.25. This is the answer you get here. Now, here what do I get? I get 5 here. Okay. So, if you compare 1.25 and 5, okay, so what can you say? So, 1.25 times 4 is equal to 4 times 1.25 is nothing but 5. So, therefore, this value is y, this value should be 4 times y. So, thus your y dash should be equal to 4 times y over here. 4 times y over here. So, answer should be D. Okay, I've taken a long time to explain this. Okay.